Hello everyone, this is Arnaud De Lapierre. Today we're going to talk about a topic that has been fascinating for years. Bitcoin, the ultimate reference in cryptocurrencies. You might be wondering why, despite the emergence of innovative projects, Bitcoin still holds the top spot. With this video, I intend to share concrete explanations so you can better understand the solidity of this pioneering digital currency. For many, it remains the most recognized and adopted cryptocurrency. So, sit back comfortably and get ready to grasp information that will enrich your understanding of this pillar of the crypto market. Since 2008, Bitcoin has been at the center of attention following the publication of a white paper signed by Satoshi Nakamoto. Its concept, a peer-to-peer network without a central authority used to validate and record all transactions on a blockchain. Over the years, Bitcoin has experienced euphoric periods and severe corrections, yet it remains a benchmark. Some see it as a symbol of financial freedom because it does not depend on any bank or government. Its number of tokens is limited, set at 21 million, making it an asset that arouses envy. Bitcoin's foundations rely on proof of work, where miners spend computing energy to secure the blockchain. It's a demanding technology, sometimes criticized for its electricity consumption, but it provides Bitcoin with recognized protection. Each validated block adds a layer of trust to the network, making fraud attempts extremely costly. Despite its decentralized and anonymous nature, the Bitcoin blockchain has thus become a symbol of proven security. This history of reliability explains why so many users continue to be interested in it. Before continuing, I would like to tell you about an app called Notrade, which is available for free on iOS and Android. It offers precise and intuitive trading signals to spot the best opportunities in the crypto space. Its interface is designed so that everyone, from beginner to the more experienced, can optimize their decisions. You will find clear alerts, useful indicators, and smooth management of your trades daily. It is a solid tool to accompany you on your crypto journey. So don't hesitate to try it and tell me in the comments if it helps you. Personally, I am convinced. Let's now talk about the store of value. This theme is often highlighted to explain Bitcoin's popularity. Its supply remains fixed at 21 million units, which increases its appeal during times of inflation of traditional currencies. Some believe that this structure limits the risk of devaluation and makes Bitcoin is a long-term strategic asset. Institutional investors have shown interest in it, giving Bitcoin unprecedented notoriety. Even though nothing is certain, the mathematical scarcity of Bitcoin remains a key argument for those seeking an option that preserves their purchasing power. Too cautious. At the same time, Bitcoin serves as a foundation for innovations like the Lightning Network, designed to streamline transactions and reduce fees. Thanks to a mechanism of the main blockchain, it is possible to aggregate multiple exchanges before recording only the final result. This leaves the blockchain while maintaining Bitcoin's initial robustness. The debates around scalability are not always simple, but these proposals prove that Bitcoin continues to improve itself. Without denying its foundations, it evolves to meet the challenges that arise over time. Bitcoin's reputation also benefits from a first-mover effect. It made an impression from its beginnings, which gives it a unique footing in the collective imagination, alongside many projects that appear and disappear. But it remains an icon. It benefits from continuous momentum thanks to a united community of miners, developers, and investors. This strength is difficult to destabilize and helps to extend the momentum around Bitcoin. It is often observed that even those who are not well versed in cryptos have already heard of BTC. Institutional interest in Bitcoin has truly increased in recent years. Banks, insurance companies, or investment funds invest part of their capital in Bitcoin or BTC, seeing it as a form of diversification. Some tech giants even accept payments in Bitcoin, which inevitably piques curiosity. The novice user can then buy Bitcoin by a few clicks through well-established services, which naturally increases adoption. This legitimization progressive emphasizes that a once unknown cryptocurrency has crossed various stages to establish itself in the global economy, while also sparking more serious discussions about regulation. Bitcoin's operation is also paced by an event called halving, which occurs every 4 years. Each time, the reward for miners, those who secure the chain, is halved, reducing the flow of new bitcoins. Historically, a marked increase has often occurred after each halving, even though there is no guarantee. This system makes creation unidirectional. Always fewer bitcoins issued over time. Traders speculate on these cycles, and the market sometimes overreacts, causing surges followed by steep drops. Despite this, Bitcoin retains its appeal. Yet, Bitcoin also attracts criticism, especially regarding its ecological footprint. Mining farms use a significant amount of electricity, raising environmental concerns. Some governments oppose it, imposing restrictions or even bans. Conversely, mining communities are seeking greener energy alternatives like hydroelectric or geothermal to harness the potential without waste. This balancing reflects the desire to find compromises between securing the blockchain and its sustainability. The discussions are lively, and the future will show how Bitcoin will position itself with regard to this problematic. Despite its dominant position, Bitcoin faces competition from Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, and others that emphasize smart contracts or decentralized finance protocols. These projects broaden the range of possibilities and offer various features. However, Bitcoin remains the oldest and most robust, a vital reference in the crypto ecosystem. Its community continuously innovates while maintaining a minimalist core protocol. Altcoins may multiply, but the fundamental appeal of Bitcoin does not weaken, and regularly reminds us that this historic crypto occupies a truly unique position. At the country level, a few governments have chosen to study the official adoption of Bitcoin. For example, El Salvador is the most striking example, with direct integration into the daily life of its population. Analysts are observing this experiment to determine if Bitcoin can coexist with other currencies. From a technical perspective, cross-border transactions become easy, which can benefit immigrant workers or families needing to send money abroad. This inclusion nevertheless raises the question of volatility risk and adoption by an entire population to a still young instrument. Multiple complementary solutions continue to develop around Bitcoin, particularly to improve its speed and exchange flexibility. Sidechains, for example, allow the basic blockchain possibilities to be extended without overloading it. The Lightning Network, on the other hand, is accelerating its performance supported by, one could say, enthusiastic teams. These developments highlighting the persistent desire to make Bitcoin accessible to a wide audience, to businesses as well as individuals. Its decentralized nature remains well established, and perhaps it is this adaptability, slow but steady, that still gives it an edge over many other cryptos in reality. To summarize, Bitcoin maintains its dominant position thanks to a proven infrastructure, general visibility, and superior liquidity on almost all trading platforms. Its strong image attracts both institutions and beginners, and continuous mining, supported by passionate players, ensures the protocol's longevity. Even when other cryptos experience peaks of popularity, Bitcoin remains a haven for those who appreciate its age and security. This alliance between technical robustness and global recognition further cements its place at the forefront of the cryptosphere. Before closing this page, I hope you found useful ideas to better understand the enduring supremacy of Bitcoin, its longevity, consensus mechanism, and limited rarity confer. an aura that remains just as strong. Of course, nothing is perfect and the future surely holds surprises, but Bitcoin has proven many times that it can withstand the turbulence of the crypto sector. Let me know in the comments what you think of this crypto queen, and if you like the video. A little thumbs up, a little subscription is always appreciated. Thanks for watching till the end. See you soon.